So I'm here at the Roosevelt Hotel gym. It's about 5:30 in the morning, just checking it out. And as far as gym setups, I've seen a lot worse. You know, I've stayed at some super nice hotels across Europe and usually get to their gyms and it's like some nasty treadmill that like your grandma used to have and like a few free weights, you know, that are like maximum like, 10 kilos or something, and you can't do jack. So this is pretty impressive. As far as, oh Jesus, I didn't even see this in here. Check this out, man. Arnold would be proud. Look at that. For a hotel gym, that's rare. And they got a heated pool outside, so you know you're in Los Angeles when this happens. But there's one thing I wanted to hip you to. You know you're in America, not because of the funny accent, or not because everyone's big and fat. Okay, that's not true. That was a little bit of a rough one. But you know you're in America when you see this behind you, which says your legal indemnity. By agreeing to coming in here, you agree not to sue us. So that's how you know you're in America. Yeah, so there you go. Anyways, I'm off. I'm gonna pump out some hard cardio and lift some weights and be all ready mentally to go today for day 2 of Tai Lopez Mentor Conference. It's fun being here. I think I'm gonna go up on stage today and do a talk and do one of the breakout sessions. So it's a lot of fun when my name's up on the board, alongside Oren Clough and Joel Salatin and Dr. David Buss. It's kind of cool. So it's good. It's fun being a part of it. And Tai runs a great conference. It's like 350 people here, and everyone's pumped. And it's in the grand ballroom at the Roosevelt. So it's all looking really good. So there you go. And I got work to do now. So peace.